Yo, what's up? This video is actually a video I've been wanting to do. You know, I plan to do this. Maybe wait a minute. You want to see my clips in this perspective? Yeah. This video I actually was going to wait a little bit to make. We're just gonna change out the Balisong and then this one. So this video is actually the video that I was planning on to do a little bit later, since I have no parts to show you as of right now. But this video is kind of a guide on where and how to buy rep parts. Since I've been interested in customization and making your own Balisong out of parts, in the later days, I've already bought an hourglass blade, and I've also bought the Bali Plus replicant clone. But where do you buy specific parts? When I made my research in the beginning of where I could buy stuff, I found JT Design was the first one I found, making scales, and I also found Foxfire Factory, making liners and spacers. And then of course I also found Hourglass. But then just, you know, researching and being on Instagram and just looking through the Balisong tags and everything like that, I found companies like Kuski Crafts that makes barrel spacers and sells the hardware kits. I also came across Hammerdesigns, I think it is, making scales. And I also came across which one more did I come across? Oh yeah, spasmfingers. And one other company that I found was I think it's called Minecraft Chicken God or something like that. He makes the diamond trainer blade, and he also does the slabs. The slabs are rehandles, the titanium rehandles. Yeah, one other company that does rep parts is also Squiggle. Also does rehandles, titanium. Kinda good. And yeah, as well, you will see this in the final video, but of course I will have pictures of everything. And then in the end of the video, I will have a list of every semi-active seller of rep parts. But while I found these, it took me a while to do so. And I just wished that it existed a video that was specifying and just telling me which companies sold rep parts. So in this video, I will compile a list in the end, like I said, of every brand, of every private seller, of every private maker and things like that does rep parts that I can find. And I will have the list in the end, and yeah, you guys can take part of it. And if I missed anything, just write in the comments and I'll pin your videos, or I'll pin your comments. So yeah, this was just a little video, a little informative video. The talking and flipping wasn't really the main part of this video, the list was the real video. But this is kind of my way to get attraction to that list for anyone who is looking for rep parts. And hopefully in the future you might see some of those rep parts on this channel, since I'm going to make a 5-part series where I first review the Bali Plus replicant, and then reviewing every single part that I am changing out for aftermarket parts. So yeah, this has been it, and hope you see you guys in the next one. You will shortly see the list, and the list is just screenshots of the profiles of the Instagram accounts. So if you can't see what the names are, just take a screenshot of the video and then just zoom in and type it into the search bar on Instagram, and then you will be able to look at the different sellers.